welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove extensions in Google Chrome. To start off with, all you need to do is open up Chrome, and you then need to go to the top right hand corner of Chrome and click on the three dots, and you now need to go down to More Tools and then click on Extensions. You will now be displayed a list of all the extensions that are installed on Chrome. You now need to click on Remove on the extension that you would like to remove and press Remove again. And there we go. That extension is now removed from my Google Chrome. If you only want to disable a extension, then all you need to do is simply click on this button here and that will disable the extension. Once you have removed an extension, you do need to close down Chrome and open it up again, and you will be all good to go. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.